Yes, I'll try to make this short.
Okay.
My niece lost her child to DHR, and she has my great niece. Well, I got temporary custody of the great niece when she was 5 weeks old, and I kept her for almost 6 months. In the meantime, my niece got pregnant again. I'm legally blind. I do have some sight, and in the meantime, my great niece was learning to crawl, so I could regroup and get things, together, because my youngest child is 17. This woman was going to help me take care of the child, and they told me to come to the courts and sign a paper, and I did. And that night, the woman that said she'd help me called and said she couldn't do it. Well, another woman and husband that was friends with my sister's friend stepped up, and then she owned a daycare, and said she would help and she would never keep the children from me. And so she's got the children now, and they have closed the case. I have fought and went to court every time. I've never not seen the children. I feel like the mother to the first child because I was with her all that time. And I even went 2 days after the tornado that I was in. And the only visitation I got, and the only blood relative that wants visitation, is one Saturday for 8 hours. My knowledge is the only one that they care about is the parent or grandparent. And I want to know, is there anything I can do to get more visitation? Because these people are not kin at all, and the mother has went 6 months without seeing the children. My sister, my niece's mother, is not well and not even in the States, so I'm really kind of have always taken her place, like the grandmother.
All right, we're going to let Jason shed some light on your opinion of this.
Well, first let me thank you for agreeing to be involved in a custody situation like that. That may very well have kept the child out of foster care, and children should be placed with friends and relatives whenever they can and not with strangers. So if you ever had legal custody or any right to visit that child, then you still have the right to petition that court for more visitation or more custody. If that child were placed with a parent, then the courts may not allow you any chance whatsoever to intervene in that parent's right to raise that child. But if it's a non-parent, you could certainly petition the court to get more involved. You would need to argue, though, that it's in the child's best interest that you be allowed that access, that custody, or that visitation in order to proceed.
Okay. All right. Thank you for